5 steps to turn artificial intelligence into your next revenue stream. Turning artificial intelligence, AI, into a revenue stream requires a strategic approach that aligns AI capabilities with business goals. Here are 5 steps to help you monetize AI effectively. 1. Identify a problem or opportunity. Understand pain points. Analyze your industry, customers, or internal processes to identify challenges or inefficiencies that AI can address. For example, AI can automate repetitive tasks, improve decision-making, or enhance customer experiences. Spot market gaps. Look for unmet needs in the market where AI-driven solutions can provide a competitive edge. For instance, predictive analytics in retail or personalized healthcare recommendations. Validate the idea. Conduct market research to ensure there is demand for your AI solution and that it aligns with customer expectations. Revenue model. Decide how you will generate revenue. Common models include subscription. Charge customers regularly for access to your AI tool or service. Pay per use. Charge based on usage, such as the number of API calls or data processed. Licensing. Sell licenses for your AI software to businesses or individuals. Freemium. Offer a basic version for free and charge for premium features. Bundle with existing products. Integrate AI into your current offerings to add value and justify higher pricing. White label solutions. Offer your AI technology as a customizable solution for other businesses to rebrand and sell. Use AI itself to optimize your marketing efforts, such as personalized campaigns or predictive analytics for customer targeting. 3. Create a monetization model. Launch and market your AI solution. Build a strong value proposition. Clearly communicate how your AI solution solves a problem or creates value for customers. Target the right audience. Focus on industries or customer segments that will benefit most from your AI offering. Leverage case studies and demos. Showcase real-world examples or provide demos to demonstrate the effectiveness of your solution. Use data-driven marketing. Utilize AI itself to optimize your marketing efforts, such as personalized campaigns or predictive analytics for customer targeting. 3. Create a monetization model. Iterate and optimize, gather feedback. Continuously collect feedback from users to identify areas for improvement. Refine the AI model. Regularly update and retrain your AI system to improve accuracy and performance. Expand use cases. Explore new applications or industries where your AI solution can add value. Monitor ROI. Track the financial performance of your AI offering and adjust your strategy to maximize profitability. By following these steps, you can effectively turn AI into a sustainable revenue stream, whether you're a startup, an established business, or a tech innovator. The key is to focus on solving real problems, delivering measurable value, and staying adaptable in a rapidly evolving AI landscape.